This is terrible. What's up, guys? This is Lewis of That Convention Guy Collectibles. I'm still working on my room, and I have a new statue for me, the Spider Gwen from Sideshow. And I thought while I'm putting the room together, this is a new statue for me, so I might as well go ahead and put it together. Unfortunately, I don't have a good setup yet for my camera. Granted, it's just my phone. So I'm trying all different angles in the room, and no matter how you do it, I can't hide my stomach, and it just is what it is. So I like doing it at my desk where I can hide myself a little better. But God, I gotta shave. Anyway, so I bought this off of a seller on eBay, I believe, and looks like it's shipped inside of another shipper box, so don't know if the real shipper box is inside or not, but either way, figure let's go ahead and get to it and see what happens. I'm getting too old for that. I'm going to show you guys this tape job. I mean, this thing is wrapped. It's probably going to take me 5 minutes just to open this box. Reminds me of Zoolander, where he talks about the little school and he says, how good can the school be if they can't fit inside? He's looking at the model. It's kind of how I feel about the statue. Like, how good can the statue be? I can't get inside the box. Wow. I'm not even kidding you. The shipper's inside of this box. That's some serious packaging. It's going to be one of my longest videos, just getting it out of the box. Out of the other box. Woohoo! Victory. I'm already sweating. Now the shipper box. Now, I tend to not pull the art boxes out. There's usually styrofoam underneath, and then you gotta wrestle to try to get it back in the box. So what I usually do is just open the art box, put this baby on its side, and pull the styrofoam out. If you saw my Miles Morales video, one of my tips was to watch some unboxing videos because there's no instructions so that you know how to do it. I didn't follow my own advice, so I have no idea how to put this thing together. So we're gonna do it together. Or I'll be pausing the video and watching some clips, so let's see. You just pull out all the other pieces so you can see what they are. Looks like a backpack. The drumsticks. It's kind of cool. Nice. Looks like it's got some good texture to it. Art job is pretty impressive. Okay. I wonder if this one came out after Miles, because one of the things I didn't like about Miles is that you had to put the web on. And if you remember correctly, you had to have access to the back of his hand to find the right hole and the front of his hand, but it was in the back hand, not the one that's right in the front. So this one has already come with the web attached. So I'm guessing that they probably had some issues with that and some complaints or something, or just me, who knows. But that's cool. Traffic light though. Alright, I'm guessing right here. Okay. Seemed to go in pretty easily. I spoke too soon, I don't know. Let's see. Is that going here? Oh, okay, cool. Okay, put the backpack on. And now where does she get connected? Because, so what I mean is I don't see any, there's no pegs on her feet that I can see. Oh, right here on her leg. Okay. So there's one right there on her leg, and that must connect it right there. Okay, cool. Now just and then the last thing is pretty awesome. Very cool. So that goes like this. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and move it to the right spot. All right, I'm going to flip this baby around, and there you go. Well, there you have it. Another unboxing. I really do need to shave. Holy cow. So happens when you don't look at yourself in the mirror and you're busy doing all sorts of unpacking and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I apologize, the lights aren't on. But there you go, more of the stuff. Boxes that I need to unpack still. Yeah. More over there. So yeah, there is just a ton of stuff still left to do. And as long as I'm doing that kind of stuff, I am just not thinking about shaving and all that kind of good stuff. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching another video, and let me know what you think. Is that a good placement for them? Nice little table all by itself. I was thinking about putting them up there, but I still have Venom. And I don't know if I want to put Venom front and center, or maybe put Venom on this table. Let's see. But for now, that's it. I appreciate you guys watching the video, and we'll see you next time.